Hello, in this video we'll understand how to make a conjugate acid for a given base. We know that the bases are proton acceptors, where the proton is H positive. So if you have been given a base, just add an H positive to it and you will get the conjugate acid. Let us try out a few examples to understand this better. The question says, write the formula of the conjugate acid for each of the following bases, because the bases are given to us, so we just need to add an H positive. So for the first one, it's F negative. If we add H positive, it will make H, F, and because it is negatively charged, adding a positive charge will neutralize it. For the second one, which is SO4 with a 2 negative, we will have HSO4, and because it had a 2 negative charge, so adding 1 positive charge leaves a 1 negative charge on this conjugate acid. For the third one, HSO3 with a 1 negative charge, if we add 1 hydrogen, it gives us H2, SO3, and adding a positive charge neutralizes this negative 1. So no charge on it. For HPO4 with a 2 negative, adding H positive will lead to H2PO4, the 2 negative, and adding 1 positive makes it 1 negative. So this is the conjugate acid formed. Now in NH3, which is ammonia, adding an H positive leads to NH4 and introduction of a positive charge because this was neutral already. For the last one, we have CH3NH2. So we'll now have CH3NH3 and introduction of a positive charge. So whenever we've been given a base, just add H, introduce a positive charge, and what you're going to get is a conjugate acid. I hope you enjoyed and understood it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.